Yo, so can I think I can get it today, or should I come back tomorrow? Let's try. Let's go. Let's go inside.
See? Pull the trigger too fast.
Well, let's see.
Fuck my life up, baby. Fuck my life up.
Oh, Manny, congrats on a extremely crazy wrap on your Lamborghini. What color is that?
I gotta look up the color before we do this video, because I don't even know what fucking color it is.
Yeah, that's fucking, it's like multiple colors, isn't it? Oh my gosh. I like how it changes color every time you like walk next to it. Jesus Christ. Oscar's pulling up?
Oh, maybe the design.
The design? Yeah. Easy. What's your favorite thing about the car? The color. What's your favorite?
The Lamborghini.
The Lamborghini. All right, what about you guys? What's your favorite cars?
Okay. Okay, I'm drunk and it's late. I've lost all of my patience. I'm about to get high.
To finally be able to move, you know? I have a car now, not a Buick, that I could finally drive, you know? So hopefully we can do some fun stuff and just go from there.
I get nauseated with
Where are you going with?
I'm going with Ari Oscar.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll see you there.
Yeah, I'll see you there last then.
Bitch, I'ma face it. Young, rich, and waste. Probably on your bitch's playlist. Know they got a lot to say about me, but won't say.
Yo, welcome to LA, huh? Dude.
It was loud, not gonna lie. Should pop my fucking eardrum.
You know, bring in the car community, have a good time together. So, I don't know, send it, you know what I'm saying? I don't know.
All right. Thanks for having us, man.
Appreciate you guys for coming.
Thanks for having us.
Yeah, I got Chaz all from Arizona.
Arizona. He came just for this event.
Yeah, my man's right here.
Hey, John, let's just wait. They have food coming. He's calling Uber Eats. He's calling Uber Eats. Dude, editing on the spot, man.
I have to, bro. I have to. That's what happens when you be working with Eli. He's deadlines, bro. He's like Jeff Bezos on Amazon.
Yeah, you're dropping it by tomorrow, Mom. I know that.
Damn.
You see what I'm talking about?
Right?
You see what I'm talking about?
Roberto made it, though.
Motherfucker.
I made it. Fuck.
Good to see you, man.
Motherfucking bitch.
Hey guys, thank you guys for joining us today from Anaheim to LA. Shout out to Wisby for throwing that banger meet in LA. And next weekend, join us to the Hyprrally. It's like, what, 6 days away?
6 days.
Yeah, 6 days away. And if you guys ever want to rap, hit up Sync Raps. I guess you're going to be
I might
working
start
here.
working here soon.
Yeah, you talked to the manager of the shop. And
Met the manager today and everything. It's pretty cool.
Dude, solid. So if you want to get a rap from her, the link, I mean, her Instagram handle is going to be like right there. Easy. So yeah, have a wonderful day. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you guys around.
Peace.